So welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. If you have any Samsung smartphone model do you have, and you hard resetted your Samsung smartphone, and when you configure your smartphone you forgetted your Gmail ID account credential, or you don't have the correct Gmail ID account details. So in this video I can show you how can you easily unlock any Samsung model without entering your Gmail ID account detail, without using computer and without using any kind of software tool. You can unlock your smartphone in just only 5 minutes without using your Gmail ID account credential. So let's start the video first. So my friend, first of all, if you are stuck in this page and you want to unlock your smartphone without entering any Gmail ID, so you have to take some very important service center offline method, and for that you have to go back to the main page, means first page of your smartphone when you start your configuration. Okay, you can see here this is the welcome page, and this smartphone's Android version is latest Android 15, but you have Android 13, 14, 15 and 16. So this method will 100% work on every Samsung model. So first of all, you have to start your configuration as usual, and after that you have to click the agree button here, and you have to click the setup manually option here, and after that when you comes in this Wi-Fi page you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. When you successfully connected your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or internet, you have to go back to the main page. Okay, and when you comes in this page you have to find emergency call option here, and you have to open this. When this page comes, you have to dial a very unique service center offline code, and the code is *#0*#, and done. You got this prompt into your mobile screen. So after that, in this page you have to find a green option here, and this is the first the second one. You have to click here, and after 2 seconds you have to tap anywhere to go back to the previous page. When you come in this page you have to find the sensor option here, and when you got it you have to click to open this, and you can see here there are lots of sensors like X, Y, Z, gyroscope, magnetic, azimuth. All sensors are synchronizing here, so you have to wait only 5 seconds, and 5 seconds has been already done. So you have to go back to the main page. Okay, go back to the main page. When you come in this page my friend, you have to again change your language to English United States, and you know very well the Google is from also United States, so you have to select the same. So you have to find this and click OK. Done. Your smartphone is start to configuration. So you have to click the start button here, and after that click agree, click setup manually, and when you come in this page you have to click the add network option here, and you have to find this a small setting icon. So this is very important if you seriously want to unlock your smartphone. So you have to follow all these steps one by one into your logged Samsung smartphone. So you have to touch to open the setting page, and when you come in this page you can see here this is the setting page, and you can do anything here. You can do changes, any changes done by this page. So you have to find the first option, this is languages and types. So click here. After that you have to open this manage input languages, and after that my friend you have to find again English United States and click the same. You have to turn on, and also that you have to turn on the English United Kingdom. Okay, and you have to turn off all other languages here. After that you have to go back to the right side corner, click check for updates again, and wait for few moments only. After a few moments you got this update message into your page, so you have to click the updates available on your selected language. When you click the update, your language section has been updated already, so you have to go back to the previous page, and you have to find suggested text correction. So you can see here this is the suggested text correction page, so you have to click here to open, and when you open this page you got this manage apps option here. So you have to click to open this, and you have to wait for a while. After that you got this many options. You have to take serious action here. So you have to find some important options like Galaxy Store you have to turn off. Go down, go up. Samsung Max VPN you have to turn off. Go up, and this is the Galaxy you have to turn off. Okay, done my friend. Go back to the main page and click start again. Click agree, click setup manually and wait for a few seconds, and again go back, and you have to arrange another any Android smartphone. So you have to open this, unlock this, the another Android smartphone, and go back, click start, click agree, click Galaxy or Android devices. If no any prompt come in this Android smartphone, you have to open the setting option here. Okay, and go to the scan QR code option here. Click the scan the camera, and you have to scan this barcode. And after that you have to open in browser option, select the same and wait for a few moments. You have to unlock this Android smartphone and do configuration on your Android. A smartphone like that. And done. Remove your another Android smartphone and do configuration as usual. So click don't copy here, click skip anyway, click more, accept, and all done. Your Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked now by using this amazing service center offline method. So click more, click skip. And if you have any type of queries regarding this method, so comment us with your specific Samsung model name. Our team will reply 100% within 10 minutes, so that you also able to unlock your any kind of Samsung smartphone. Skip anyway. Don't try to skip this video at any moment, otherwise you won't be able to learn how can you unlock your smartphone without using computer and without using any kind of software tool. So if you have any type of queries, comment us with your specific Samsung model name. Our team will reply very soon. Don't forget to like and share this video to everyone, and subscribe this channel also. Okay, wait until this smartphone will open. Click next, select your preferred setting. This is very necessary, so you have to follow all these steps one by one into your locked Samsung smartphone, otherwise you cannot learn anything here. So you have to watch this video, and you can see here this Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked now, and you have to configure a new type of pin pattern password lock within 10 minutes. Okay, this is very important. So you have to configure a new pattern lock, password lock, fingerprint lock, any you can choose here. So I am going to configure a new pin pattern password lock. My favorite is pattern lock, so I am going to configure a new, and all done. Your smartphone is completely ready to use, so by using this method. So if you have any type of queries regarding this method, comment us. Our team will reply very soon, and subscribe our channel also. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.